Uh, so I had a nap. I woke up a few minutes back. I had a coffee. So 4:30. Anyways, coffee is not my drink. I drink tea. But because of my brother, I, it's very easy to make now coffee. So anyways, so I want to speak first the creation date drama. So, all these years, they deleted my creation date files after giving the recovery of portable hard disks. Scammers from Chembur must have confessed about the creation date drama. So first, it was the group work, which I had no clue, and they were defaming me behind my back, and they taken control over it, and I had no clue physical, and they were recording me from the webcam, that laptop computer front camera, same as every phone in the house, even my sisters, and even my surveillance was compromised. Who gives such a thing? Then later it was the after the group work, it was the theft, theft, and for theft they have to do the creation date drama. Hmm? So on that basis, HWA managed to forge documents for them, hmm, for that creation date drama. On that basis, Baba. So now they must have confessed about the creation date, and now the story must be look at his grammar, look at his spelling mistake. So, honey, that's a, what do you call it? That's a outline. I said thousand times. It's not the proper files. I have wrote affair in 2016, and again I wrote the rewrite of affair in 2022 while I was in GID. You see the thing. What are the differences? So the more I rewrite, the more I create masterpieces. Painting is not done by one stroke, but thousands of strokes. Understand? So, so those are one outlines. Outlines are something which you have to just keep on putting your thoughts non-stop. Don't worry about the spelling. Don't worry about anything. You have to keep on putting your thoughts. So those are just the thoughts, and those are incomplete thoughts. There are many episodes. Even in the content affair, there are many episodes missing. I didn't put it. It's in the head, but I didn't put it. I know it will create problem, but now I have to put it now, because those events has history of my life. It has a history. Already people know about it. So first the getting it, the group work, in the creation date drama. Then now it's the what. So what they want to do in my laptop, and what they want to do it, what they got to do with it. They got to do nothing with my life. If you are so good at grammar, go in English. What do you call it? Teach somewhere English. Be an English teacher. So good at. I am a filmmaker. I know what has to be used and what has to be done. So, honey, I am not just the author. I am a director. Okay? And for grammar, I use Google Docs, the file which you stole, Rapture. Okay? For grammar or grammatical mistakes. So each shit, because I am a fucking filmmaker. I don't bother what I write. I don't care what I write. I only care what I film. Okay? Sometimes there has been things that on set I have to change the script and do my own stuff. Where the written material is gone, then it's useless. It's junk. समझे? So you are just a stealer, not even an author. You are a robber. So I wrote content somewhere in Content Affair 2016 with the press release and everything. All that shit is there. And synopsis shoot it. Then again I did a rewrite in 2022. See the material. So the more I rewrite, the more I improvise. Painting is not done by one stroke. Now the second thing, my funeral. Scammers have staged a fake funeral of me to grab my stuff. You know, if you have done this and it's out in the public, entire Bombay, no, entire world is coming for you. Entire world is coming for you. You have picked a popular guy of my town. You have picked a popular guy of my town, and that's me. Okay. What is the reason everyone are after me? It's not only the money or that content. I hold a popularity. Even though I went to hookers, those trans hookers. Next day, chicks used to get angry and used to tease. हाँ गया था ना, करके आया ना, है ना? They knew what I was doing. They knew that I want to portray something. है ना? So, and the third thing. So those trans hookers are actors, and the prostitutes with them are actresses. So there are many nudes made with prostitutes outside, which are also chicks. Wearing my t-shirt and saying that I fucked them. So it's not me fucking them, but who is that person who is getting fucked? I think this one. Who is that person who is getting fucked? So they will point at you. So you have to decide, are those the actors, actresses, or are those people from the surveillance who walked in front of my house? Those are Handore people. So this will always be there. And the entire country is gonna point at you and those people who walked in front of the house and the fake bank account people. So either it's you or them. So the clock will be ticking, tick tock, tick tock. So there will be a badminton thing. Sometimes the ball will be on this court and sometimes. So you have to fight that battle. Fake bankers and those prostitutes from the West. Samjha? Who are caught in the camera. How would I know who are those men with the makeup? Who can recognize them with a wig and a makeup? No one. And women, I never seen any woman from past years. A woman prostitute I didn't see. So there will be this badminton court thing. Enjoy you. It will be fun. Entire country, you made this matter public, right? You wanted public to take care of this matter, right? Public will take care of it. That's why, without any pain to anyone, no pain to anyone, I am giving copyrights to the entire country. There will be no pain, and you people are the. You had a special thing here, but you overdid yourself. These people overdid themselves. They shredded nudes, right? Portable, after giving the portable. What is the betrayal? What was the betrayal in it? Recovering my data was a betrayal for them. Good. So, eat shit now. So everyone from the entire country gets the copyright, and they want to claim for it, and they want to come for the fake bank accounts, and they're going to come for that thing. Those. So it's you have to decide where is the phone location and that thing, surveillance, and they have to decide. Use the surveillance. What? Use the surveillance of Chembur West. You have to decide who are those hookers with phone. Get the GPS of that phone. Stolen phone, blocked phone, every phone. You will find it there. Use that surveillance. From past 3 years, surveillance has been dropped. So even if I was not out there, phone was out there. And they are gonna come for the fake bank account. So they have to choose a pig. Public has to choose a pig. Who is the prostitute? Those from the surveillance or from the fake bank account. It will be a TikTok situation. Because there are videos, men are fucking prostitutes on, samjha, and videos are made. So they are gonna compare those two. If you resemble with them, you're gone for good. So who are the prostitutes? From the fake bank or the Handori people from the surveillance?